Hi friends, what is up? It's Melanie. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys that you can still dress cute if all you have is a carry-on or a very small wardrobe. This is how I still dress cute even when I'm on vacation. Starting this video off strong with a very basic outfit, but honestly I still think it's tied together and I would definitely wear this again. But I think packing some nice denim shorts, solid tank tops in the cut that you like, and of course pairing it with one of your favorite and comfiest pairs of shoes is such a great way to go, and you basically can't go wrong with it. Honestly, I also think that my bag here ties it all together. The fact that it matches with my shoes and it kind of pairs as an accessory but is also so practical totally holds this outfit together. There is nothing better than bringing comfy pants when you are traveling. I think they are honestly the best because they can definitely be your loungewear around your hotel room, your Airbnb, or wherever you're staying, but you could also wear them out to almost anything like the beach or if you're eating a whole meal because they're so stretchy and comfy. So these linen pants were my absolute best friend on this trip. I'm not gonna lie, this outfit was cheating a bit because I did purchase this top when I was there, but having a nice solid top that you can pair with anything is honestly such a great tip. I think I have 10 billion white tank tops, but I absolutely love the fit of this one, and I think it looks good with skinny jeans, skirts, or wide leg jeans, so I'm just wearing it with these light wash, kind of straight fit jeans. Of course, I think this looks adorable together. I think it's such a great idea to bring a variety of different kinds of bottoms. So while I brought jean shorts and jeans and linen pants, I also brought this white long skirt. It's so flowy and such a staple in my wardrobe. I think you can pair this with so many different things because it's just plain and white and flowy. So you could wear it with a big top or a little top and any color or pattern because it's just white. This outfit is honestly so granola, and I could definitely be wearing it if I was out camping or back in Washington, but I paired it with this little mini leather bag that I got from Brandy. This is another outfit where I'm just pairing a bunch of very basic items. I have a denim skirt, a plain white tank, and white sneakers, but of course adding the black bagu I think adds so much to that outfit and ties it all together. I also think adding a fun hairstyle like braids can make you look a little bit more put together, or just having regular jewelry that you wear to kind of tie everything together is such a fun idea. I actually made this skirt in a little thrift flip video right before this trip, and I cannot wait to test it out. So I brought it with me on this trip, and honestly I loved wearing it. Guys, this is so funny of me, but I found out that I really like filming in grocery stores and just stores. I don't know why, I think it is like the spot for taking photos and videos of my outfit. But this, honestly, I just put this on for a little grocery run, but I am obsessed with this top. I think if you pack anything that fits you well and is comfortable, then you will feel your most confident when you are traveling and wearing it. And I know it's so funny because I'm just wearing like this big oversized long sleeve shirt, but I think it looks so cute. I kind of have come to the conclusion that there are people who wear funky bottoms and plain top, or you wear funky top and plain bottoms, and I think I'm a very plain bottom kind of girl. Like, I barely have any prints, but I like to wear fun prints when it comes to my tops, so that's exactly what I did for this outfit. I just have this plain ruffle skirt from Princess Polly, but I have this really cute paisley top that's from Abercrombie, but I thrifted it. I think they look so cute and put together. This outfit is awesome. I think if you bring any kind of dress, you automatically look put together. This one, I honestly can't style it that many different ways, but I think it's so cute, and since it's just plain and white, I'm sure you could accessorize and do your hair differently. Nonetheless, I'm obsessed with this little dress from Free People. On on this day, I'm wearing that little ruffly skirt to the beach. I thought it was such a fun little beach cover up. As you can tell, it was super windy this day and my skirt was not helping out with that, but I still think it is so fun. I just paired it with this little see-through holey top that I actually got from a garage sale, which I also thought was a perfect beach cover up. I also think it's a great idea to bring a variety of different cover-ups just to be prepared for all weather conditions. So on this day, I was wearing a little white tank top, but it was a little chilly, so I just had this little sweater that I threw over it. I wore it with these cargo-looking shorts that I got from a garage sale for only $1, would you believe it? And then once again, I am doing my very reliable combo of black Converse and black Baggu bag. Wow, I am doing it once again. And then I'm just wearing this solid rib top. Oh my gosh, I'm just realizing right now this is another top that I bought while I was there. I am actually such a cheater, but I couldn't help it. You guys know I went on a Marshalls run and I came back with too many things. Anyways, love this top. Wearing it with these denim shorts that are kind of like mid-length, and they're just like my favorite comfiest fit. In this final outfit, I'm wearing that white long skirt once again, and I'm just pairing it with my white t-shirt. I love wearing t-shirts just as my pajamas and sleep shirts, but honestly, I think paired with a midi skirt, it looks so cute also. And then I'm also using my little mini purse just to tie everything together. Alright friends, so those were all of the outfits that I wore on this very long trip with only very little clothes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and then it gives you some inspiration on how to still dress cute even when you're traveling or even when you are limited on the amount of clothes that you can bring somewhere. So if you guys want to see more fashion inspo or outfit ideas, make sure to let me know and say hi in the comments. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.